Hey guys, Bukkit29 here. Welcome to video number 11. Today we're going to get back into configuration files by making a plugin that stops cursing by using a list of words in the configuration. So in this episode we're going to learn a little bit more advanced configuration, and we're also going to learn about another listener. So first, let's go ahead and create the configuration file. Let's go ahead and config.yml. Now, in the last episode, we learned about array lists. Now, in configuration files, you can have lists. So we want to make a list of bad words. So we have our list of bad words, and the way that lists work in YAML is basically you have the name with the name of the list with a colon, and then space dash space, and then whatever you want to be in there. So I'm not gonna actually write bad words. I'm just gonna write, let's say, hello and pickle. Okay, so now we have our bad words, and anyone can add to this and anyone can remove from it, and that's the whole point of this plugin. So now we need to do, again, get config.options.copy defaults true and save config. So now we generated our configuration file. So there's not going to be any commands in here. So next we're going to actually make the listener. We're going to call the listener that stops the cursing, public void on player chat, and this is an asynchronous player chat event. And go ahead and import event handler and async player chat event. Okay, so this event is called whenever a player chats. So what we're going to do is we're going to be using a little piece of code here to look through every word that they say, and then we're going to see if the list of bad words, if that word is in the list of bad words. So what we're going to do is for string word e.getMessage.split, and then you're going to do just like that. So what this is doing is e.getMessage.split. This is getting the message that they have, and it's splitting every word in the message with a space. So and basically, so now this word, it's going to go through every word that they say, and we're going to say if getConfig.getStringList, and the name of it is bad words. And then we're going to say, just like a list dot contains word. So we're looking through all the words that they say, and if their word is in the list of bad words, then first we're going to say e.setCanceled true. So we're going to stop this from happening because we don't want them to curse, and we're going to do e.getPlayer.sendMessage red, and we'll say don't curse. And there we go. Now the one last thing we have to do is bucket.getServer.getPluginManager.register events, this and this. And remember, multiple times this has happened where I forget to register my events, and I spend a ton of time looking through the code to try and figure out what's wrong, only to find that I didn't register the events. So after that's done, you're also going to need your plugin.yml. Nothing exciting here because we don't have any commands or whatever. And now again, you guys might want to make a permission node that allows you to bypass this, or you could, charge the player money for cursing as a punishment, or just use what else you know to make this even better. So now let's go to our testing server, and I cleared it out again. And let's just make sure that everything starts up correctly. Okay, everything looks good. So let's go ahead and launch Minecraft. Okay, 1 second. Alright. Let's go ahead and connect to our server. And now let's go ahead and try saying a bad word. So the bad words were hello and pickle. So as you can see, if I say either of those words, it says don't curse. If I don't type any of the bad words, then it still allows me to type the message. If I say like hello, how are you, it still stops me because it has the word hello in it, which is considered a bad word. So there you go, guys. You just learned how to use lists in a configuration file, and you just learned about the async player chat event. So as always, comment with what you want to learn, subscribe if you want to see more, and thanks so much for watching. Bye.